These sounds used to mean the game was on. But today, this is the sound that excites gamers. There's even a social trend showing people reacting to it. And in Brazil, where millions of players have drifted away from our game, we saw an opportunity to bring them back at national scale, with the game no Brazilian gives up on. Clash Royale presents the sound of competition. In partnership with Globo, Brazil's biggest TV network, we brought the sound of our game into their game. So as more than 10 million people watched the live broadcast of the Copa do Brasil Final, they heard this at kickoff.
Vai rolar! Você em casa, tá preparado? Tá preparado? Ah, eu conheço esse som.
And Clash Royale players across the country didn't disappoint.
Aí pessoal, eu tô ficando maluco ou eu acabei de escutar o som de abertura do Clash Royale.
But we went beyond the gaming community.
Eu reconheci, não é o som do... Reconheci, não é o som do Clash Royale?
Esse som aí é o The Crown Call, que dá início às batalhas no jogo Clash Royale. Tá a fim de despertar esse seu lado competitivo?
With only a 2-second sound clip at the perfect time, we took over the conversation around the final. We reached our goal of bringing players back and even welcomed new ones, showing a sonic logo could be louder than a visual one.